Hi, I'm Esra Muslu. This is the Great British Chef's Signature Series. I moved when I was 18 to London. I was staying in a Jewish lady's house. I started to learn how to cook with her, and then I started to find out I quite liking this. Then I decided to move to Melbourne and train a chef. Menu is changing by season, and then instead of going one region, we are trying to cover whole Turkey, trying to challenge ourselves every single month what we're going to do from which region now. I'm Esra Muslu. This is my restaurant, Zahtar. We are right now in Carnaby Street, and I'm going to show you how we make our Bosnak Mantisi. We make the dough overnight, flour, water, salt. We make the dough until it gets very softened. We make small 30 grams of patties, and then we roll it and then put some blend vegetable oil on top, and then you see it's like how much we open and rest it overnight like that. And then inside the fillings, I have here beef mince, chopped onion, peppers, black crushed peppers, and salt. It's one of my favorite dish to eat. You will see when we roll in, each the layers gets very crunchiness, and then the very buttery, and then the same time is with the mint flavor. It's quite nice. I mix my beef mince with the onions and pepper. I put this on the side to open my dough. First, what I will do, I will put a little bit olive oil in my surface. Put my dough. And then what we're going to do after when we open, we're going to put the beef mince into it, and we're going to roll it. What we're going to do, we're going to remove all the excess doughs. So the easiest way, like you're just to turn it and then it close in the end, and you just place it. Now this is ready. I can start putting in my wood oven to get cooked. And now our mantı is ready. We keep it until 25 minutes around, and I will put a little bit jalapeno chili butter on top. First melt your butter and then finish with put jalapeno chili on top. Keep continuing with the heat. It will give all the spiciness. And here I make a garlic yogurt, thick yogurt, zest garlic, and put into your plate. We have here mint and sumac. And this is my dish, Bosnak Mantisi. Enjoy.